Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to share and talk about law of attraction. So today we're going to learn how the law of attraction we can use in our personal and professional goals. So how the law of attraction works. So that's what I'm going to talk about, the law and attraction. So this I made like a different parts, part one, part two, part three. And today, all I'm going to talk about the law and attraction. Do they work? Or are they working in our life, every day to every day, our life? And the question is how we can use law of attraction in every day to every day in our life. So let's start with introducing myself first. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm consultant of Thinking into Result, and this is what I have learned from my mentor, Bob Proctor. And this is what I'm going to share with you. And it's working for me. And you can start working around your goals. Goals can be your personal goals or professional goals, whatever your goals are. Everybody goals are different. My goal is building the business. I'm trying to build the business, and you can start building your business and how you can use the law of attraction. So I have been using this law and it's working for me, and it can work for you also if you start understanding how the law of attraction works. So let's start with the first, the attraction and the law. So attraction is something like we focus on, and that is attraction. And the question is working? Definitely is working. So where the attraction is, and that's what we are attracting. So it doesn't matter where you are focusing. And is today all I going to talk about on the surface. I'm not going to go on the deeper level, because this is the reason I have created the parts, part one, part two, part three, and to understand how the law of attraction works. So all you have to understand today, attraction is working all the time, and attraction is where we're going to focus, and that's what we're going to attract and be attracting all the time. I'm going to give you the example, just like day after day, night comes after night, day comes. It is a universal automatic process, and it's working day and night. So attraction is working day and night. And the question again, where are we focusing on our focus on? And that's what we're going to attract. If you're attracting the things are not working for you around your business or personal goals or professional goals, the reason is your attraction and focus is there. And the same thing, you are keeps attracting something you might don't like, and something you are experiencing. And this is what we are talking about, how we can change that, how we can change our attraction around our business or personal goals or professional goals, what we want. And this is the reason I'm talking about the law of attraction. So attraction question is, attraction is working? Yes, it's working day and night, and working 24 hours. It's working, it's a non-stop. That's all you have to understand, is working. So attraction is where the focus is, and that's what we're going to attract. And whatever you're attracting, because your focus is on something, something you don't want, and to change that you have to focus on something you want, and that is the difference also. So, and the second is the laws. Are there laws in the universe world? Yes. The question is, are there laws in the universe world? Yes, there are laws in the universe world, and they are working all the time. And laws are fixed laws in the universe world, and attraction works according to the laws. If we don't know the laws, and this is the reason you're attracting attraction according to the laws, and because we are not aware of the laws, and we are attracting things not working for around the personal goals or profession goals. The reason is because we are not aware of the laws. So the question again, uh, are there are laws in the universe world? Yes, there are laws, fixed laws in the universe world, and they are working just like day and night after night after day comes after day night comes. They are working all the time. If we are not aware of the laws, if we are not aware of the attraction, and this is the reason you are attracting same thing around your business, around your personal goals, professional goals, you are repeating the circumstances again and again and again. And how to change that again, and changing your focus as attraction, and learning about the laws. Laws are like just driving a car, and there are laws when we are driving the car and we break the laws, and we're going to get the fine. It's the same universal laws. With the law of attraction, there are laws, and we are breaking these laws, and we definitely going to get what we don't want. And so we have to learn how to follow these laws, and learn about these laws, how we can work according to the laws. So this I definitely going to share in other series. So this is the reason I'm making part 1, part 2, part 3. So you have to watch all of them to know law of attraction. Today, all I'm going to talk about the attraction and law. So all you have to know today around your business and around your personal goals, attraction is working all the time. Where is your focus? That's what you're going to attract. And attraction works according to the laws. So there is a laws in the universe world, and everything works according to the laws. If we are breaking these laws, and this is the reason maybe you might be experiencing around your personal goals or professional goals something you don't want to change, that you have to follow the laws. And that's what we are that's what I'm going to share with you, how we can start following these laws, and then we can start working for your favor around your business, around your personal goals and professional goals. So all you have to know, attraction is working, and the laws are there are laws in the universe world, and they're working just like day after day, night comes after night, day comes, and it's working 24 hours, so non-stop. So attraction is, we are attracting things all the time. And so to change that, we have to change the focus. So that's all you have to know around your business and personal goals and professional goals. Change your focus, what you want, and just keep your focus what you want. And according to the laws, if we are breaking the laws, and this is the reason if things are not working according to what we want. So that's all you have to know today. And please watch that again and again to understand. And if you like the YouTube, and please give thumbs up. And let me share one slide which I created, and which is this is what the law of attraction is all about. And so whatever you're looking, uh, that slide, and we are attracting everything in our life. And of course I'm going to talk about that because it's a non-physical side of it. And so all you have to know, so law of attraction is working. And let me share the other slide with you, which I created. Law of attraction, which one is that? I think it doesn't seem like I got that slide. That doesn't really matter. All you have to just see, attraction is working, which is a non-physical. And that's all you have to know. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. And keep following the next YouTube, and to know how the law of attraction works. And I think that's all. Thank you for watching the YouTube. And I think that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day. Start using the law of attraction in your life, around your business, around your personal goals and profession goals. And that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to use the law of attraction around my business, and definitely it's working for me, and it can start working for you also. Thank you and bye.